Hey everyone, and welcome back to a new video. So today loads of parcels arrived, over the week. Here's one of them, and I can only say it's for the PC. So today's gonna be the ultimate PC building whatever video. So it's gonna be really interesting, and stay tuned after the intro. So as you might already be able to tell, like, so many things have changed. There's like new foam padding stuff above there, new paddings over there, and everything's like basically totally new, and my whole complete desk setup has changed. See over there is a tiny bit of a new desk, and there's just been so many awesome changes, and I'm gonna guide you around them, and we will be upgrading my PC to a GTX 1080 and the new i7. It's gonna be so awesome. So let's get right into the unboxing of these boxes of loads of goodies, and yes. Okay, so we've got all the boxes on the desk, and it is the RAM. I decided to go for 32 gigabytes for now. I will maybe upgrade if I need it, but 32 should be plenty enough. Then, yes, motherboard. This is really good. Need a new one because it's a new chipset, so the new Intel processor will go into this. What I'm gonna be doing is I'm not gonna be upgrading the whole computer, so hard drive is gonna stay, case is staying, cooling is staying, all that good stuff. Just graphic card, processor, RAM, mainboard. This is the one I've waited until the evening. It took, don't cut towards yourself. It really took so long to get here. Oh my god. Okay, so what do we have? We've got wine advertisement, something else, get a car, more wine, outfitlery. If someone wants a code, have fun. Okay, so we've got tons of this stuff. The new i7. Oh my god. Okay, you can go here. Alright, so here's my super secret weapon of speediness, a Samsung NVMe M.2 drive. This should speed up everything from loading Photoshop, Premiere, everything, so I can't wait to get that installed. And now, oh my god, this is where all the money went. This is my new graphics card, the super clocked EVGA 1080. It's not the TI, yeah, I don't think I need a TI, but I guess I will unpack all these and one fancy photo, and yeah. Okay, so here's the PC. I've got an old graphics card in here because the other one broke. I returned it, so that's gonna get fixed, but I got the new one. So this is the desk now. As you can see, it has completely changed. It's a completely new desk, and the reason I've got the new desk is because the old desk, as it looked super nice, it was super unpractical for me. And you might already notice where's the monitor arm, you might be asking yourself. That's also gone because it was so unpractical. The monitors were unlevel on each side by about 2 degrees, so it just was a pain like to look at and work with. Now I've got all this space from here over to here. It just makes everything so much easier. That's all the same. I got a new chair. I got soundproofing for all these panels, and there was a window there. If you watch one of my old videos, you will see there was like a huge space. One there, and one more here. This is my tripod. Yeah, so, yes! Alright, so here's the old setup. As you can see, 960, Core i7, 4th gen I think, not so sure, 32 gigs of RAM as well. And basically I will be replacing it with all these goodies, and I hope this is just going to be like a drag and drop process, so I'll try and get all the things installed and I will be back. Alright, so progress has been happening, and this is the new main board. I've installed the CPU, I've got my 32 gigabytes of RAM installed too, got my NVMe drive in too, and that's basically the board already done. Now all I need to do is get it back in here, cooling paste, and yes, this is the older one. Okay, so hey guys, today's the next day because it got super late when I was doing all the computer stuff. Installed Windows, tested everything, I don't even know what I did. Installed all the games, drivers, everything, and so far it's working amazing. Let me just show it to you. So this is the build, and it looks so cool. I'm sure those people will be asking, so I will be doing a detailed tour later this month, probably. Sometime when the weather gets good again, so it looks nice. Yes, this is how my new desk looks. So far it's so awesome. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this little video of my new room, my new PC build and everything, and I will be doing a new full setup tour soon, so stay tuned for that and leave a comment below what you want to see next. And as always, I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Oh, and follow me on Twitter. Bye!